Welcome. In this video I will show you how to wipe your iPad Pro M5. First, open Settings on your device and go to the General section on the sidebar, then scroll down this Settings list and select Transfer or Reset iPad. If you want to erase everything from your device, tap Erase All Content and Settings, tap Continue, then tap Erase iPad. Then you're gonna have to provide the passcode in this field and proceed with the instructions that you see on the screen. And after that, your device will be fully erased and prepared for probably for another user or maybe for you once the erase is complete. One important note is connect your device to the connect the charging cable to your device and connect it to the outlet on the other side or to the USB port of your computer or whatever. Your tablet needs to be charged while this operation is being performed. It's very important. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.